Are you looking for a premium stylus pen without the high price tag of the iPad pencil?
The MEKO Magnetic Stylus Pen offers the same precision, comfort, and seamless experience at just a fraction of the cost. Designed for iPad users who demand performance and value, this stylus is the perfect Apple Pencil alternative.
Magnetic attachment for easy storage.
No more losing your pen. The MEKO Stylus Pen features a strong magnetic design that securely attaches to the side of your iPad. Whether you're working, sketching, or traveling, it stays in place, always ready when inspiration strikes.
Precision that matches Apple Pencil.
Equipped with high-sensitivity sensors, the MEKO Stylus provides pixel-perfect accuracy and ultra-low latency, delivering a natural writing and drawing experience. From note-taking to digital illustration, every stroke feels smooth, responsive, and precise, just like using a real pen on paper.
Long battery life and fast charging.
Enjoy 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The MEKO Stylus supports fast USB-C charging, so even if you forget to charge it overnight, quick recharge will have you ready to create again in minutes.
Wide compatibility.
Compatible with iPad 201 to models, this stylus connects instantly, no Bluetooth required, no setup hassle. Simply tap to activate and start writing. It's perfect for students, artists, and professionals who use iPads daily.
Affordable and reliable choice.
Why pay more when you can get the same quality and performance for less? The MEKO Magnetic Stylus Pen offers the same precision and feel as Apple Pencil at less than half the price. Perfect for personal use, corporate gifts, or bulk orders.
Why choose MEKO?
Magnetic design attaches easily to your iPad. High precision and low latency for smooth writing. 10-hour battery life with fast USB-C charging. Affordable Apple Pencil alternative. Available for bulk orders and OEM customization.
Upgrade your creativity and productivity with a stylus that performs like Apple Pencil but costs much less.